Okay, let's dive into this whole pickle juice trend. What's the real deal?
I mean, pickle soda, Pickle Dr Pepper, yeah, these drinks are seriously blowing up online.
And people are actually hooked. They love that unique flavor for drinks or even cocktails.
But beyond the flavor, there's this huge claim that it's an amazing workout recovery aid.
You know, for years, athletes have sworn this stuff stops muscle cramps dead in their tracks. And get this, the claim is it can kill a cramp in just 35 seconds. That is ridiculously fast. So seriously, how could that even be possible?
Well, the go-to theory is all about electrolytes. You sweat them out, pickle juice puts them back in.
It sounds plausible, right? So, scientists decided to put that theory to the test.
And a 2009 study found that drinking it didn't really change blood electrolyte levels.
I mean, look at this. Plasma sodium levels barely moved, even after an hour.
Okay, fine. But what if you're super dehydrated from a workout? That has to be different, right?
While researchers tested that exact scenario, studying people who were pretty dehydrated from exercise.
And the results were exactly the same. It didn't replenish their electrolytes or fluids at all.
So yeah, the whole electrolyte theory, it seems to be a total bust.
Which begs the question, does it even work? Or is this all just in our heads?
Believe it or not, yes. One study found it crushes cramps 45% faster than drinking nothing.
So if it's not our muscles, what is it? Turns out the answer is in our nervous system.
The vinegar triggers a reflex in your throat that tells the brain to calm the misfiring nerve.
So it's not about rehydrating the muscle at all. It's about resetting the nerve.
So, let's break it down. For cramp relief, it's a win. But for rehydration, not so much.
Now, there are some other potential perks, but there's a big catch. It's packed with sodium.
So it's not a cure-all, but a cool example of a folk remedy with some real surprising science.
And it really makes you wonder, what other health hacks are out there that work in unexpected ways?